Welcome to the vlog. It is the weekend. We have been trying to make a vlog for about 7-8 weeks now, and we always get stuck and we stop doing it, but we are going to publish this one regardless of how terrible it comes out. Today we're going to be doing a few things, but the first thing we are doing is setting up our new apartment that we're going to be moving into at the end of this month. Matthew's very excited. I'm very excited. We are going to be making it like a car-themed Airbnb, so people can come stay here after we've stayed here. Oh my gosh. This is the current state that it looks like. So this is what she looks like at the moment. There's Papa working in the bathroom. It's going to be gorgeous. We're tiling this. Stunning. This is overlooking the pool with a little deck area. I just imagine a couch and a TV on that wall. This is the bedroom. How are you doing?
I'm great. I don't need to go to the gym today.
Yeah. So it's the bare bones are here. All the electrical is done. All of the plumbing is done. We're just doing the last finishing touches and stuff. Anything you want to add, Dad? Mission impossible, but this is the first weekend that we're starting on this, and it will be an ongoing project.
Yeah,
it's my
exhaust. Not all my shit. It's not that shit. Yes, it's for house decorating. And it's also on the wall.
On the wall, yeah. Yeah, it's going to be super fun to set this up. We have loads of ideas. If you have any car-themed apartment ideas, please drop it in the description. We are going to have a coffee table with a very nice rim. We are going to use like a barrel to make like a coffee stand. So any ideas that you've ever had in your wildest dreams, put them on there, and we'll keep you posted on this one.
Just hear me out. I think this should be part of our house decorations. John agrees. For sure. This would look great as a house
And
decor.
it's a yellow. It's just a base.
Well, it doesn't work, but that's why it's going to be the house. House decoration. You could do something great with that.
This, on the other hand, this is cool to have
That's
like
a
up on
really-
a wall or something. This is really cool.
It's such a nice seat.
What is this for?
BMW 650X challenge.
How did you... You've never had one of those? Okay, we should definitely use it as a shelf.
No, just an
Or we should get a BMW 650X challenge.
I think you should put a custom seat on.
That's a great idea.
We have just finished the room. We had to take everything outside. This is like gonna be a little gardening area out here. Oh, I'm so excited for you guys to see the final product.
Look at my eye.
Oh yeah, Matt's got an eye infection at the moment. So he looks like he got punched in the face.
Natalie punched me in the face.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna finish sweeping, vacuum, then wash the floors. We're gonna wash all the inside of these cupboards. Hi, Poopy. Hi, Lou. And then we're gonna set the floor and put like a finish on it. We also need to find where that plug is and then connect it. And yeah, there's so much work to do, but it is very, very exciting. So hot right now. That Red Bull is gonna be amazing. This is so exciting for us. I'm so sweaty.
I'm excited to make a really cool Airbnb place
Yeah.
that we get to.
And then you guys will be able to come and stay here. So we're planning to stay here for the next few months. We'll give you a tour of our current place because we haven't done that yet. And we're going to be staying here for the next few months. And after that, we're probably going to be traveling a little. And yeah.
Red Bull.
Very cool.
This is really just a vlog of me showing you guys how hard Natalie works at anything she does. Nice. What you doing, Natalie?
There's a hole where the water needs to go out from to drain the pool. This pool's basically been split in half. So we have one section which actually we've got an entrance from our apartment.
We're draining the water from that side into here.
But just
And you can see. So the water's just being stored in here. And then we're going to clean that and reseal that. And then pump the water back from this side back into there. And then we'll have a pool again. And this is going to be something. What's going to happen on the other side here?
Well, we get to choose what we want to do with that space. I think it'll be really cool as there's like a
home gym called Fun.
could also be a movie room. It could be a grow room. It could be.
Nats wants to be a drug dealer.
My dad wants to make it a shooting range.
I mean, you won't have to aim a lot.
Okay, so just to update the vlog, Dad's putting sealant on the floor. He won't let us do it because we don't do it properly.
Yeah.
Robin watched me. Yes.
With the grain.
With the grain. Robin watched me fall into the pool while we were clearing out all of those milchies and everything. It was not fun. I have since had to change into one of my dad's t-shirts, and I took a quick shower because I literally slipped face first into the water, which is always fun. But we're basically done for the day after this. So sealant's going down, we're blockading it so no little creatures get in. The bathroom is ready for the tiles to go in during this week. And yeah, then this is all going out soon. The pool has been emptied, which means it can be sealed and refilled. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff going to the dump. This is all going to be a beautiful pool deck. Gonna spend the summer redoing the back there. It's gonna be so much fun. Awesome project. We are now going to be heading out to fix one of Matthew's friend's cars, and we'll take you guys with us.
Just like that, we are on our way, gone, back, what? No? Okay, we have a mission. We are gonna go put someone's front lip on. So this is a socket set so we can help Tristan put a front lip on his M2 for the tunnel run tomorrow. Because SAB my tunnel run is tomorrow and I will be going in the M2 probably. But it needs to have the front lip attached. So I'm gonna go help him do that. Trying to convince Nats to come, but I don't think I'm successful.
Yo, Sunday morning, I don't think so.
Trying, but I don't think I'm gonna be successful. Anyway, let's go slap that front lip on the car and hopefully it stays, because I'm not a very good cosmetic mechanic.
If you ever worked on a car, you know that face is just like you feeling it and hoping for the best.
Yeah, I'm not happy right now.
No! So how's it going?
It really won't take long because there's only like 2 screws holding it on. I'm just loosening it with my hand.
5, it looks like there's 5.
So are you throwing this lip away? I'm running time, okay.
The problem with low cars is that you can't get anything underneath them. Just making sure no one runs over Matthew. Okay, got the one side off. And we just need to squeeze that out. What a sexy car. You know, there's always like one screw. We are just struggling.
Just gotta make sure it's not gonna slip off.
It's great.
I think.
Okay, wait. Keep it there, keep it.
Like, damn it, was it good? Bro, don't call me, but you know I'm like the roughest mechanic.
We got it!
There's a trophy, bro. You can never run that on your car again.
Without damaging it now.
I think you should do that. I'm terrified now. Okay. There's the little bit of carbon damage, so that's good. But I'd say that was pretty successful for very lack of tool use.
Okay, we have gotten home and we wanted to do a little house tour. We have been here for the last 6 months and we're going to be leaving at the end of next month. We've been staying here with Nicole. She's currently away, but this is the house. It's been awesome being here together, the 3 of us, for the last few months. But now we're moving into our Airbnb apartment that we're busy creating that you guys saw earlier. So yeah, we decided let's show you guys around before we leave here. This house is owned by a couple who basically do 6 months in England, 6 months in South Africa, and they are clearly obsessed with roses. So let me show you guys the inside. Are you going to say, my name's Matthew, welcome to my crib?
My name's Matthew and welcome to my crib.
You walk in, this is our TV room.
My name's Matthew and welcome to my crib.
This is where we chill with our friends sometimes, and the TV is there as well. And Nicole's room is up there, and there's a bar up at the top there. The view from up there is amazing, but we'll get to the other upstairs section just now. And this is Matthew's boy room. This is where all the boys hang out when they come over, as a way to not bother the girls. You can see there are car pieces and parts and everything everywhere. Oh, gross. There's Finn. Hello. This is the dining room, and this is the room that everyone loves the most, not only because it's the kitchen, but because of this section here. How beautiful. And because now it is spring/summer, you are literally surrounded by flowers. Then towards that side is our rooms, but we'll get there now. This is the back garden. We're kind of rushed to show you this because it's getting dark, but this is it. A lot more roses, like loads of roses, all different colors and types. That's the thing.
Frogs.
No.
We had frogs in our pool.
Yes, we did have frogs in our pool this morning. The one day we found 9 and they were all still alive, but this morning we found 3 and they weren't alive. This is the house from the back, so up there that's Nicole's room and the bar area. This is the section we just came out of, and this is the section we're going to go to now. Going back inside, this is the section of the house that is more me and Matthew's. We tried to make as much of space between us. It was the first time we were all living together. This is our room. It's probably messy, yeah. And we have an ensuite in there. We also have a door that goes straight onto the patio. Then we have guest rooms. So we've had a lot of friends stay over. Ooh. We've had a lot of friends stay over in the guest rooms. Each of the guest rooms has their own bathroom. Alec is staying here tonight, so he'll be using one of these guest rooms, unless he's like Ben and sleeps on the couch. Then the last section of the house. Well, I'm currently on 8,000 steps. This is the gorgeous study. So this is where we do our work on most days. And yeah, let's have a look at the view. Ugh. Incredible. Wow. We get the most amazing sunsets here. But if you're from pretty much anywhere in Cape Town or South Africa even, you know that we get incredible sunsets out here. So that concludes our vlog for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a long time since we did a vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one.
I'm filming another one tomorrow, so there'll be another one after this pretty soon.
So yeah, we'll see you guys, and remember, small steps
In the right direction.
Mwah.
Bye. Side note for the vlog. Look how sick Alex's car looks. Bye.